Yeah, one by one.
Mommy,
Take it easy.
isn't it?
Uh-oh, don't put it up. Just mix, mix, mix. Nia is mixing our waffle batter. And Kika next. Kika's turn. Kika's turn lang ga.
What's more?
You want more vanilla? No need, mommy. We put already. Not too much vanilla or else it's gonna be bitter. We put already all the spice in it lang ga. We put cinnamon, we put nutmeg, and we put vanilla. It's gonna be smells good and yummy. Hala, mix mix Kika. Okay, mommy's turn. We need to mix it very well so it will remove all those lumps. Look at this. There are some still that are bubbles or lumps in our butter. Then it says ready to cook. It's a batter mixture of our waffle. Jessica requested for a waffle today. I guess she missed it. It's everybody's favorite in the house, right, Ika? We put jam on it because we don't have chocolate fudge. I forgot to
I don't want
buy.
jam.
Jam is yummy. Or you can just eat it like this. Like without any toppings. Right?
We eat it like this.
Still have some more. Oh, sorry. So, are we ready to bake it now?
Yes.
Okay, let's prepare our waffle machine. And let's bake it, okay? It's ready, our waffle machine. We're gonna brush some margarine on it. Brush, brush, brush. And let it to be hot a bit. I guess it's warm now. We're gonna put now, Kika?
Yes.
Okay, we will put our mixture.
Did I put mommy?
Wait a while, can you?
Yes.
I just put it in the middle.
Mommy.
Okay, one more. Here.
Kika.
Kika will put slowly. Put. It's too much. Okay, that's it. Thank you. And then we wait for that one to steam. We close it, okay?
Yes.
We will wait a while. Ayan na, nagsisteam na siya. We'll check. Oh. Okay. Luto na siya. Patapusin ko lang yung steam and that's it. Yay! We cook our first batch lang ga. Ready to eat?
Ready.
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 Kika is waiting patiently. Ayan, nag-orange na. Ibig sabihin, luto na yan. Whee!
It's ready now?
It's ready! Wow, perfect. Agay ang init. Agay ang init lang ga.
Spoon. The
Mm-hmm.
spoon, mommy.
Dumikit. Kahit nilagyan natin ng butter. Anyway, una kasi. Yay! Dumikit siya. Need ng maraming butter. Ready. Who's excited to eat? I'm gonna taste first. Agay.
Agay.
Agay, agay, agay.
Agay, agay, agay.
Oops, ang init.
Minute.
Init.
Minute.
Yeah. Dumikit sa ilalim. Masyado yatang mainit. Kailangan kong i-lower a bit yung temperature.
Agay.
Agay, agay. Ang init. Right?
Oh.
Agay. Eto na siya. Ang init.
And now, yellow plate.
Get a plate. Gonna make another one. I guess it's too hot, the thing. Lagyan natin ng maraming butter.
Huh?
Mhm.
Enough, mommy.
What enough? We're gonna bake a lot.
Here.
Yeah, I know langga. Maraming butter para hindi dumikit masyado. At masyado yatang mainit yung aking pan. Let's reduce the temperature.
Let's see.
So, I put another one.
And me?
No, mommy will put langga. Here. 3 scoops. Right? To fill up the whole thing. 3 or 2.5 only. Hala, giubo among bata. Kaluoy man. Paimno niga medicine be. Ayan, let's close it again and let's reduce the temperature to ganito lang. And that's it.
Mom, you want to?
Ready to eat? Ready to eat, Kika?
Yes.
Yay!